Hello friends, this is yet another tutorial in the series of HTML5. In this tutorial we will learn about new form elements into the HTML5. So let's start the tutorial. HTML5 has the new form elements like data list, keygen and output. Not all browsers support all the new form elements. However, you can already start using them. If they are not supported, they will behave as regular text field. In this tutorial, we will see the practical example of output tag. First is data list element. Data list element specifies a list of predefined options for an input element. It is used to provide an autocomplete or auto-suggest feature on input elements. Here, we are using a data list to bind it together with the input. Here, when user types into the input field, automatically auto-suggest feature will come into play. Next is keygen element. The purpose of keygen element is to provide a secure way to authenticate users. It specifies a key page generator field in a form. When the form is submitted, server-side language generates two keys, private and public. Private key is stored locally and the public key is sent to the server. The public key could be used to generate a client certificate. However, it is beyond the scope of this tutorial to how to generate a client certificate. So this is the keygen element coding. We are setting up a form and then providing keygen element. Next is the output element. Output element represents the result of a calculation like one performed by a script, namely JavaScript. It performs a calculation and shows the result in an output element. Here is the coding for the output tag. Here there are two input types. One is range and other is number. The range is 0 to 100 and the value of input type B is 50. So when user moves the cursor, the addition of element A and B is shown into the X. X is the output element. So here is the coding which adds two elements. Now if we preview this in a browser, it will look like this. So this is the output. When you move the cursor, the addition will be shown here. So that was the end of our tutorial. Thank you.